In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue on Steam when you encounter the message, "Failed to start game, app already running." This problem can be quite frustrating, especially when you're all set to dive into your favorite game. Fortunately, the solution is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure you can get back to your gaming adventures with minimal hassle. First, let's exit Steam fully, which is crucial as it ensures that all associated processes are properly closed before we proceed. To do this, simply open up your Steam client. You'll find the Steam option on the top menu, click on it, and then select Exit. This will close your Steam client completely. Now that Steam is shut down, it's time to move on to our next step, accessing your Task Manager. The Task Manager is a handy tool that lets you see all the programs and processes running on your computer. To find the Task Manager, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key on your keyboard, or you can right-click on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen and select Task Manager from the menu. Once the Task Manager window opens, you'll want to look for any Steam processes that might still be running. In the Task Manager, you'll see a list of processes. Scroll through to see if any Steam-related processes are still active. It could be labeled as steam.x or something similar. If you find any, right-click on them and select End Task. What this does is it forcefully stops any background processes related to Steam. This is often where the app already running issue stems from, as a lingering process can trick your system into thinking the app is still open. With that taken care of, let's move on to the final step in our troubleshooting process, restarting Steam with administrative privileges. This step can help resolve any permission issues that might be causing hiccups. To do this, locate your Steam shortcut, which is typically found on your desktop. If it's not there, you can type Steam into your start menu to find it. Once you've located the Steam icon, right-click on it, and you will see an option to run as administrator. Click on this option, and Steam will launch with the necessary permissions it needs to run properly. And that's it. You should now be able to start your game without being greeted by the dreaded "app already running" error. These steps address the most common issues that cause this problem, and hopefully, they have helped you get back to your gaming without further interruptions. If the problem persists, it might be worth checking the Steam forums or reaching out to Steam support for additional assistance. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!